Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you very much. At present, I'm in front of a very beautiful mosque. The name of the mosque is Baitul Aman Jame Mosque. It is in Dhanmondi 27. The mosque is beside a beautiful lake, Dhanmondi Lake. Okay? And it's very big and beautiful. All the modern amenities are available in this mosque. Especially this mosque looks very beautiful. Why? Because of in the backside you can see a big flower garden. Different kinds of flowers are available in this mosque. You can see the marigolds and you can see the white roses, red roses, pink roses. What is not in this mosque? You can see a Tabligh Jamaat is coming in this mosque. Okay, this is the most beauty of this mosque. It's very beautiful. It is centrally controlled air conditioner mosque, and you can see hundreds of fans are available here. Okay, if you come in this mosque to say your prayer, you feel calm and cool. I often visit this Dhanmondi Lake, so I say my prayer often here. I say my prayer at Johor time here in this mosque, Asr time, Maghrib time, sometimes Isha times. And one day I came here for Jummah prayer in this mosque. I hope that in future I will say my Fajr prayer in this mosque. I want to see this mosque in the heaven also. Someday we'll go to heaven, understand? If you have touch and connection with the mosque, so you will have the connection with Almighty Allah and the Jannat, understand? In the front side you will see Allahumma ftahli abwaaba rahmatik. That means you pray to Almighty Allah, oh Allah, open the all doors of this mosque. In the inner side of this mosque, we can see Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. We seek help from Almighty Allah for the kindness of Almighty Allah, understand? So if you have good connection with mosque, good people, okay, righteous people, pious people, so you have connection with Jannat. Someday we'll go to Almighty Allah. I love to say my prayer in different beautiful mosques, in the village, in the town. So in this mosque, you see the pilgrimages from the country and from abroad. Understand?